Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. It is the Skilla, and robbery is the motive of the one year. Took place somewhere in St. James. Yeah, the place where them said the state of emergency is going on. You know, so we are not even going to go into that. But please observe. Them brave. Them really brave though, you see. You can look on a robbery and see say this robbery is practically in the middle of the main road. You get what I'm saying? Mean, you can see the car them a pass, you can see people a walk past, you know, then you can actually see what going on inside of this, the local shopping store, wholesaler, you know. Alright, watch this. Me look and see a youth stop with a backpack that was outside, and him look back. All him brave too, you know. Cause from you a pass a store and you see a gun and wave. Even if a security or not, me I hold my head straight. Suppose the man that is just say, yo, hey, and decide to tell him, say, yo, go up on the floor or something like that. Man, hold your head straight and go on. Just like we see the old man do. You know, the old man didn't pay attention to anything. But the point is that these men really highly motivated if you want to pull off something like this. You get what I'm saying? And me know enough people when them see this, they might go say like, yo, it's an inside plan job thing, you know? Or a long time them a map out the place. Long time them a map out the place would mean like it's been a long time they are them a, you know, like surveillance, like them a watch the place then. A long time, you see me? But that is not even the biggest point at this video, and the reason why I'm more focused on this video here, this robbery that took place, is it? If you notice, when they walk into the store, then will go in the store, like the first man to come in and go over to the man who is standing at the door. That man is a armed plain suit security. Maybe police, but we just say security. As I say, I'm notice them take a gun off of him. Right? So if them take a gun from that man and then them can run to the back. Now, I just hope to the biggest wishes that them not do that man nothing, not anyone. I hope that they didn't hurt any of those people. Do your robbery. You know, robbery is bad. I know that. But do your robbery and just go on with the money. Take the money, but leave my people alone. Do not hurt them. You get me? It would be as if you eat the fruit off the tree and then you kill the root. You get the point? You get what I'm saying? Don't think that I'm encouraging you. Yeah? And I'm going to say this again. I am not encouraging any of you criminals to go and rob people. That's not what I'm saying. You know, that's not even the point. But the point that you're going to kill the tree, it won't bear again for the family and the friends to enjoy from that person. You understand? People miss that person and they love that person. You get me? So don't be selfish and don't be this hothead as though you all criminals would want to say and turn around and hurt this man. Alright? Yeah. This is not defending yourself. This is robbery. Total different thing. Alright? Anyways, so I hope for the best for the people them were in that place working and go up say everything alright. You see me I say? And you see next time to the young man in the backpack, the next time you say something like that, don't even stop. You know, just go. Alright? Yeah. And big up respect to one of my viewers that gave me a comment telling me that them need a little more standard English in the thing. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I will do that. You know, I respect your comment. You know, there will be no second guessing about it. You know, I mean, my channel is here for everyone so that everyone can understand. And I realize that it's not only Jamaicans is really tapping into my channel, but everybody all over the world. All right. So respect for that comment, and I truly appreciate you letting me know how you feel about my channel. All right. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't forget, just hit the subscribe button if you need to know what going in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and the Dancehall Skilla Entertainment biz, which is the channel here, right? My name is Skilla, and this was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?